Uwian na, may nanalo na.
Yeah, I'm moving at the speed of sound. I got both hands off the wheel.
Diyan nagsisimba sina Tom Cruise, or simbahan niya Tom Cruise, simbahan ng mga artista. Paalam, kaibigang Lem Balagot, LA Rose Cafe. That's a staple here in Los Angeles. Dito ako sa LA, malapit sa Sunset Boulevard, among Vermont and Fountain, where you have the famous Rose Cafe right behind me. Punta kayo dyan. It's a very nice place. Yung may-ari niyan, si Lem Balagot, was a friend of mine. He just recently passed away. I've known him for 24 years. Ngayon, nagke-crave ako ng McDonald's. By the way, this podcast episode is not sponsored by McDonald's. Nagke-crave lang ako. Bakit ba puro hospital ang pinapakita ko sa inyo? Wala lang, andito lang ako sa Sunset Boulevard. Hindi ito yung Sunset Boulevard na tourist attraction. Ito yung kabilang side. Kung saan pumupunta yung mga normal na tao na hindi turista. Ayan. But anyway, I digress. Naghahanap ako ng McDonald's because may nilabas silang limited time only. Parang McChicken, pero ginawa nilang Big Mac. So parang Big Mac chicken, something like that. Anyway, nakita ko na kung saan yung McDonald's. So puntahan natin and enjoyin natin yun. So now, we just need to find that McDonald's. Nakita ko na, ayan. Right there. Parang ang layo, parang hindi nyo pa makita no? Pero, trust me, right there. Pagka lagpas lang ng punong yan, promise. Kamusta na nga pala kayo? Salamat sa mga sumubaybay ng mga vlogs natin. Nakakatuwa. Pati yung mga anak ko tuwan-tuwa na nagla-like kayo, na view nyo, nagko-comment kayo. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe kayo ha. Excited sila. Excited din ako ha. Don't get me wrong. Excited kaming lahat. Kaya thanks in advance. Ayan na.
Using the McDonald's app today?
No, I'm not using the app today. But do you guys still have that Big Mac chicken?
Yes, we do.
Can I have a combo?
Would that be large?
Yes, please.
Coke?
Unsweetened iced tea.
Unsweetened. Okay, what else for you?
That's it.
Thank you. 1302, next window.
Thank you. Guys, hindi siya healthy. Ako na magsasabi sa inyo na craving. Pag nalaman pa ni Miss Jaja na ginawa ko to, oh my God. Ito. Yan, people. There you go. Kunan natin ang video para cinematic. Okay, let's eat. So i-dissect natin, tingnan natin kung ano meron. Para siyang Big Mac pero may dalawang patty ng chicken. And sabi nila yung pamatay daw dito yung sauce. So hindi ko alam kung gaano katotoo yun. Pero kagatin natin. Oh my God. Uwian na, may nanalo na. Ubusin ko na. Wow! Sorry guys, masyado masarap yung Big Mac na yan. In-enjoy ko lang talaga. Talaga umupo ako sa kotse, in-enjoy ko lang, kinain ko lang. It's the sauce. Kasi yung McChicken, yun na talaga yung McChicken eh. Pero yung sauce, hindi ko alam. Combination ng lahat siguro. But if it's available where you are, go try it out. Kahit one time. Would I do it again? Probably not. At least alam ko lang na masarap siya. Busog. 3 minutes late. Not bad. So kanina nasa LA tayo, ngayon nasa Temple City tayo. Nice place, borderline Arcadia. Dito ako nagpapagupit kay Chris. I'll post the link sa description dito sa address niya. Okay tong place na to. So kung babalikan niyo yung mga vlog ko dati, mahaba buhok ko. Itong si Chris ang unang gumupit ng buhok ko para maging ganito kaikli. It was like a couple of years ago, siguro mga 2022. So wow, 2 years na pala kaming magkakilala nito. And I've been going to his salon ever since. Dati, he would rent a booth. Ngayon siya na yung may-ari nito. Kaya, congrats, Chris.
Good.
Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, Chris.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. So guys, if you want to book your appointment, YG Hair Salon, here's the guy you need to call. Now, time to work. Dami natin kailangan i-edit na podcast episodes. Of course, kailangan ko na mag-prep para sa tugtog ng Playback Jukebox, which is happening tomorrow. I love my house. I'm home!
Oh, baby, I made you sinigang.
Ooh, okay! Yari tayo. May sinigang. Yeah. Eto guys ha, pagluto ni Mrs. dapat kumain. Walang laglagan ha. Wow! Sarap! The best. Iba talaga luto Kapampangan. Si Miss Jaja, just in case hindi nyo alam, Kapampangan. Kaya masarap na masarap magluto. How about you guys? Nabusog ako dun ha. Imagine mo, kumain ako sinigang. Di naman niya alam na kumain tayo ng double chicken Big Mac or kung ano man tawag doon. Sira ang diet.